Morning all you cool cats and kittens. Tyler with American Wrap Company here. Behind me is a 2020 Corvette Stingray C8. We're gonna be doing our full body level 4 XPEL paint protection film wrap on it. We're also gonna be doing a custom set of dual racing stripes, bumper to bumper up and over the car, and a Clearplex windshield skin. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more content. And along the way, check out how we get this thing done.